We got those retail sales numbers down 1.1 from Rick Santelli at 8:30. I think some flash PMIs are on the way. Morning, Rick.
Good morning, Carl. And we will get to those flash PMIs when they appear. And Carl nailed it. Yeah, if you were looking for retail sales to be powering equities higher, you're looking in the wrong place because they were weak. Minus 1.1 on headline, and everything thereafter was negative, strip out autos and gas. But the market's still firm. Look at an intraday of 10s. Not only did it pop about 5 minutes ago and it eased back a bit, but if you look at a 2-day, we've gained a lot of basis points leading in today's Fed day. Of course, the decision shouldn't be a surprise to anybody because most likely we're not going to see any significant changes. But it all depends on what you think significant is. At some point, a taper must be in order as these vaccines start to get distributed. And if you continue to look at the charts, the next chart that's super important you want to pay attention to is what's going on in Boons. Boon yields have actually moved quite a bit in the last 2 days. That's why we don't use percentages. Their yields are up about 14% in 1.5 sessions. Here are the PMIs now from Markit. If you look at the manufacturing PMI, 56.5. That definitely is a bit of a give back versus last look, which was 56.7, but only a small one. 55.3 on services. That sequentially follows 58.4, and that is definitely a bit weaker than expected. And finally, let's look at the composite, 55.7, sequentially following 58.6. Back to the chart, shall we? Now, foreign exchange is having a lot of movements, and the biggest common denominator, weak dollar. No matter where you look, actually, you look at the Chinese yuan, the dollar's weak. Well, here, let's look at the euro. Let's look at the pound. Both these are going back to the spring of 2018. The pound to May, the euro to April, and the dollar index itself closing at the weakest levels yesterday since April. We'll call that a 31-plus month low.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.